Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lord Bay, and I'm back with another video, baby. Yes, sir. Yo, it's your first time on my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to share this channel with your family and friends so they can get the entertainment they need. Yo, man, it's so good to be back. I've been posting on this channel for quite a long time. So yeah, man, it's the first time. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to click on that post notification so that you get notified every time I drop. So yeah, man, as you saw on the thumbnail and the title, I just bought a new crib. I'm joking, guys. I didn't buy a new crib. We just here on a little vacation with my family. Yeah, man, all the way Maputo, right? So I'm just gonna be giving you guys a little house tour, just so you can see how we live in the side, you know. So yeah, man, let's get to the cribbo. Yes, sir. So guys, as you can see, we're literally in the middle of the jungle, and the house is pretty dope, man. Let me just show you guys how it looks from the front. It looks from the front, but the main show is at the back, right? The main show is at the back. So yeah, man, pretty much this is the front of the house. As you can see, it's an open plan, so you can literally, it's a sliding door, you can literally see through the backyard. There's the living room. My nephew's watching cartoons, you know. Some nice kitchen. It's a nice kitchen. I don't know what they're seeing. Probably seeing a lion or something. But that's the main bedroom. That's where my parents are staying. So I'm not gonna be showing that. All the bedrooms look the same, right? So I'll just show you how the other room looks, and you can somewhere tell how the main bedroom looks, right? So the bedroom, literally, like, guys, imagine waking up to a nature reserve, right? Like, we're literally in the world right now. Like, imagine waking up to this. So yeah, man, anyway, yeah, this is how the bedroom looks. I'll show you guys how the outside looks, right? So this is the bathroom. See, you have a nice tub there. Nobody's gonna look at you because there's literally nobody but wild animals right there. So nobody's gonna look at you while you boss. It's my boy, shout out.
Shout out to Link and subscribe.
Shout out to my boy, man. Yeah, you heard him, subscribe.
Oh, by the way, guys.
So yeah, man. This is the shower.
Second jump.
Hey?
5-second jump.
Okay, don't hurt yourself. Alright, shout out the boy. Alright, cool. So when you get out of the bathroom, that's how the outside looks like. The house is literally made of mostly glass, right? So this is my room. This is my room. I got the least favorite room, but it still works, guys. It's still beautiful, man. So, okay, let me start with the room. Shout out to me. Drip check, drip check, drip check, drip check, drip check, drip check. Drip check, drip check. Know the vibes, know the vibes. So yeah, man, this is my room, right? Got the bed there. Got the nice chair there. Pretty dope, man. It's pretty dope. Got my J's there. So I close the curtains, but when you open them, it's just a wild, you know. It's pretty dope. Got the aircon. It's cool. And then you got, like, every room here has a bathroom, right? So you got the bathroom right here. Got the shower. The shower is pretty big, man. Then outside, Like literally, everything is just open here. But like I said, nobody can invade your privacy because all there is to this is just wild animals. And you got the the basin. The furniture here is pretty dope. Tivoli, quality. Then you got the toilets, It's pretty cool, guys. I love this house so much. Very, very dope. Then, now, the magic. So, this side here, you got the rents there. Got my sister there. But this side here, you have, we have neighbors right there, building their own stuff. But guys, this is where the action happens. This is literally where the action happens. Wait, boy, what's up?
You know what you forgot to check?
What?
The balcony.
Yeah, I'm gonna go there. So we got the pool. Let me just show you guys a view of how this whole house looks, right? Check how dope this is, guys. Check how dope this is. And by the way, I don't know if you can see, but there's some wild animals there roaming around, right? So, fun fact, we have lions, cheetahs, leopards, whatever. And just randomly you can just see them walk past you. It's pretty dope. Pretty dangerous, but pretty dope. And we were urged not to roam around here at night. Sunset, dawn, whatever, But the house is pretty dope. I dig it. And then, so you can see the bedrooms from outside, right? So you can see the bedrooms from outside. And then here we got the balcony / upstairs, / roof, right? So also here we got a pretty dope setup. And then from up here, of course, you can see everything that's happening here. This house is too much, guys. This house is too much. Hey guys, this house is too much. It's too much. Right in my boot. Personally, I like wildlife vacations more than your beaches, more than hotels and stuff. I like being in the wildlife. So yeah, man, being African, you understand that I'm a lion. So my natural habitat is, the jungle. I think that's why I'm so comfortable being around the bushes and the jungle. Oh, another thing, you can actually see the inside of the house from this area here. That's the inside. I'm not sure if you can see properly, but yeah. Anyway, guys, pretty dope house. Gonna be staying here for quite some time. I feel like it's very important. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think there's some action in the jungle. What's up, traders? We are on the charts, and you know the vibe, man. It's your mentor, Lord Bay. Guys, I literally sent this in the free Telegram channel. If you want to join, the link is in the description. I literally sent this. This was a free 192 pips. Imagine, guys, 192 pips that people ate for free. So this is GBP JPY. Here's a screenshot of how I had sent the signal right before it played out, right? And as you can see, guys, the movement is almost done. If you closed, then congratulations. If you didn't close, then hey man, you can still close here at the bottom, right? But if it closed here, this is a lot of pips, guys, a lot of pips. So I just want to go through this trade with you guys, just so you can see where my thought process was and how you can use the same thing to profit from the market, right? So guys, as you know, we always start on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we just want to see what the overall movement, right? And we can literally see that the overall movement here is a what? Is a uptrend, right? A kindergarten kid would tell you that this is an uptrend. So if you go onto your 4-hour time frame now, so the daily said uptrend, right? The 4-hour, you zoom in. Now you can see that, okay, we have another uptrend. As you can see, guys, we're forming higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs and higher lows. But here, check this out, guys. This high failed to go over this high, making this what? A valid double what? A valid double top. So as we all know, guys, when you have a double top, it's a major reversal indication. So I was literally just planning on trading this double bottom here, and I will show you as we go in the setup. So guys, as you can see here, we do have what? We do have an uptrend, right? So we can draw our trend line here, copy it, go. Guys, first is meant to be easy, guys, not difficult. Very easy. Just keep it easy. And whether you take losses or wins, just keep it easy. If you take losses, just know that losses are part of the game, guys. I don't understand people that take like maybe 4 losses in a row and then think that their strategy is crap or whatever. It's not crap. It's just part of the game. You will take losses, right? So anyway, after drawing this trend line, guys, you can literally see that here as a double top, a very perfect double top, in fact, right? We have the first top and we have the second top. Now within this double top, we are in a uptrend, right? And because we're in an uptrend, guys, look here. So we came from resistance to support, resistance. It tried going back to our support, but it didn't come fully to our support, right? So that should indicate already that we need to come back to support. So it came back up from the double top. And then now, after this double top, we are definitely going to come test the support. And then we'll either shoot back up or we will break this, come retest, and shoot back down. This is a signal on its own, guys. This is a signal on its own. So anyway, I saw this double top now. And then within this double top, I went to my 1-hour time frame. And within the 1-hour time frame, now I'm just analyzing this. Guys, remember, the lower time frames you go, the more in-depth you go, right? So now I know that I have another trend line here. You can just clone it, put it just like that, right? And then within this trend line, guys, you know that the market moves in corrections and impulses, right? So exactly. So you have the impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. And then instead of it impulsing again, it corrected again. And then it started a new wave, impulse. Now we're in a correction, right? I hope you guys are following. After this correction, obviously anticipating an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, right? It's all about just repeating things, but just in a closer scale, right? So because now we have established that we have an impulse here and now we have a correction here, we need to draw up the trend line, the mini trend line for the correction, right? So the correction is here. You can just copy this, put it right there. Now we have a correction. Now I knew that if this market breaks out of this correction here, comes to retest, I am going to ride this trade. And as soon as I saw this is when I had sent the signal into my free Telegram channel. I also sent it to my VIP channel, which we kill the market very hard, guys. In order for you to access the VIP channel, you can go to the free Telegram group and then you'll see all the other directions to use to go to the VIP channel, right? Obviously, I send more signals in the VIP channel, guys. So
As soon as I saw this breakout, this is when I just told everybody to go in, and we ate, guys. That's exactly what happened. Exactly what happened. It's all about being patient, guys. It's all about being patient. And then at the end, your patience will pay off. And now we are here, right? We are here. Very, very easy trade, very, very fruitful one. But there was a lot of patience that was needed here, because I think we held for how many days? It's the 5th of December today. We held from the 28th of November until the 5th of December. So very, very hard patience that was needed here. But we made it through, man. We made it through. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. So yeah, man. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video and this channel with your family and friends. Maybe they can learn a thing or two from me. Guys, if you want to trade with the best broker, I found the best broker, guys. Use the link in my description to sign up with them. And then open up an account. And guys, the spreads are brilliant. Spreads are brilliant. So yeah, man, hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's LordBay_SA. And yeah, man, I will see you guys on the next video. From your mentor, Lord Bay. Peace.
Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your family and friends. Until next time, peace.